To fix a window air conditioner that is not blowing cold air, start by checking the power source and ensuring the unit is properly plugged in and turned on. Next, verify that the thermostat is set to a temperature lower than the current room temperature. If the issue persists, check the air filter for dirt and debris, as a clogged filter can restrict airflow and reduce cooling performance. Remove the filter and wash it with soap and water. Then dry it thoroughly before replacing it. Inspect the condenser coils, located at the back of the unit, for dust and dirt accumulation. Use a soft brush or vacuum cleaner to gently clean the coils, taking care not to damage the fins. Also, check the evaporator coils, located inside the unit, for frost or ice buildup. If you find any, turn off the unit and let it thaw before restarting. Check the refrigerant level, but be aware that this requires specialized equipment and expertise, so it may be best to consult a professional. Verify that the drain is not clogged, as water accumulation can cause the unit to malfunction. Check the drain hose for kinks or blockages and ensure it is properly connected to the unit. Ensure proper air circulation around the unit by keeping the surrounding area clear of obstacles. Also, check the unit's installation to ensure it is properly sealed and insulated. If you have tried all these steps and the unit still does not blow cold air, it may be necessary to consult a professional for further diagnosis and repair. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the filter and coils, can help prevent issues and ensure optimal performance. By following these steps, you can identify and potentially fix the issue with your window air conditioner.